In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for time in the computer lab or to sign up to use the Chromebook cart in your classroom. Okay, the very first step is opening up Chrome on your computer and visiting labandresourcescheduler.com. Okay, this is what the website looks like, and when you get there, you're going to need to sign in or log in, and over on the left-hand side you'll see your username and password box. And if you don't know what those are, please contact me because I can get you that information for you. Click login, and when you log in, it's going to bring you to this screen. And we're going to click on Labs and Resources if it doesn't bring you there automatically. And this is our schedule for the week. And you can see that when it initially signs in, it's going to default to bring you to one of these spaces. Okay, back, playground, cafeteria, library, or outdoor classroom. Don't make the mistake that some people sometimes make. If you're signing up for the Chromebooks, don't sign it out under one of these spaces. Make sure that you're clicking Technology to show the resources and selecting whichever Chromebook cart that you want to sign out. So Chromebook cart 1 is on the first floor. That's located in the new second grade hallway. And Chromebook cart number 2 is on the second floor, and that is anywhere in the third, fourth, or fifth grade hallway, depending on when it was last used. Okay, it should be plugged in and charging the computers. The computer lab schedule is also here, so if you needed to sign up for extra computer lab time, you could do that as well on the LARS. But today I'm going to show you how to sign up for a spot. Okay, and let's use Chromebook cart 1, for example. So let me click on that. And this typically has a little bit more availability, as you can see when the schedule pops up. And it's been signed out a couple times this week, which is good. I like to see that our equipment is being used. And let's do today. So let's say I have a lesson and I need to use the Chromebooks in my room, and I need to use them from 11 to 12 o'clock. Okay. The Lab and Resource Scheduler breaks our blocks into half-an-hour blocks, so you can sign them out in half-hour blocks. And if I needed it for a full hour, I would just click on this block from 11 to 11:30, and it turns it green. And then click on the 11:30 to 12 o'clock block. That turns green. And notice how it says new, click save, 38 seats remaining. I need to scroll down to the bottom of the screen, make sure that it's my name that's in the username box because I'm the one that's signing them out. I need to put in how many, it says seats, but this is how many Chromebooks you're actually going to be using. So if you have a class of 22, you're going to put 22. There's also a note that you can leave if you wanted to put your room number, which is what I typically do when I sign out the Chromebooks and I'm using them in someone's classroom. You could also put an app or an activity that you're using or a subject that you're using it for. Okay, and then all you have to do is click the save button right here in the orange, and notice how it just popped into the schedule with my sign out. And it's that easy. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to delete a block. If you decide, you know what, I don't really need it for a full hour, I just need it from 11:30 to 12, all I have to do is click on the block that I no longer want, and it pops up with this menu. Okay, there's new and delete. Since I'm deleting it, I'm going to choose delete. And when it deletes, it turns it red, and it says click save to remove. And all I have to do is scroll back down, click this save button again, and notice how it freed it up for that block. So I'm no longer signing it out from 11 to 11:30. Okay, now I'm not technically using them today, so I'm going to delete this one as well. Just click and choose delete. It turns it red, and then click save, and you'll see when it updates, it removes that block. So now it's available for anybody else to use. And it's that easy. If you guys have any other questions, contact me, email me. I'm here to help.